In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Young Sheldon on Hulu, so you can enjoy this popular sitcom with ease. Let's get started. To watch Young Sheldon on Hulu, first ensure you have an active Hulu subscription. Open the Hulu app or go to hulu.com on your browser and log in to your account. Use the search bar to type Young Sheldon or navigate to the TV shows section to find it. Once located, select the show and start streaming your favorite episodes. If you don't already have a Hulu subscription, you'll need to sign up for a plan. Hulu offers various options, including ad-supported and ad-free tiers. Keep in mind that availability of Young Sheldon may depend on Hulu's current licensing agreements, so if the show isn't listed, it might be available on another platform like Paramount+. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy watching Young Sheldon on Hulu.